How to find Facebook friends by phone number. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook friends by phone number. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Facebook app, let's first visit the App Store right here or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let's search for Facebook. We're here. Tap on Facebook. So what we're going to do on this page is to check if our Facebook is up to date. So to do that, if it says open right here, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date. However, if that says update, just tap on that because that means that your Facebook is currently outdated, and updating it will ensure that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to find friends by phone number. So once you have made sure of that, let's just head on and open Facebook right here. And actually, there is no direct way to search for a phone number and then find their Facebook, because it will depend on whether or not they have linked their phone number to their Facebook account. But there is actually a way to do that if they have linked their number to their Facebook account. So to do that, let's just click on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. Click on settings and privacy over here. Click on settings again. And let's scroll down a bit until the permissions tab over here. So this is where you can manage what info Facebook uses to make your experience better. So let's just tap on the upload contacts option over here, and let's tap on the toggle button. Actually, you can just click on learn more if you want to see which data that Facebook will be retrieving. So when you choose to upload your phone's address book to Facebook, they will use and securely store information about your contacts, including things like names and all that. And this will reflect on providing a better service and make recommendations to you and others for your Facebook account, and reveal the Facebook friends by phone number. So let's just tap on this toggle button right here to make it turn green. And enabling that feature will also let Facebook continuously upload your contacts. So if you want to do that, let's just click on continue over here, and Facebook should be uploading your contacts. And once Facebook has done uploading your contacts, it should show a list with your Facebook friends that are in your contacts app. So then they will then be listed right here under people you may know. So that is how you can basically find Facebook friends by phone number. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.